Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthi. I was looking at the calendar and I figured out that this video would come out on December 31st of 2019. And nobody would probably watch it, so I didn't really want to put out a build video. So I decided to just do a year-end review on my first year of YouTube and also look forward to projects that I plan on doing in 2020. Let's check it out. So starting in May of 2019, I started doing YouTube videos, building projects, learning a lot of things, screwing up a lot of things as well. It's been really fun. I've got to get back into skills that I haven't used in a long time, like welding and woodworking and using the lathe and things like that I hadn't used since shop class back in high school. It's been a lot of fun. Like I said, learned a lot of things, made a lot of mistakes, had a lot of fun with my oldest son. He's the one that has been filming the stupid little endings that I do. When I started building projects, I started thinking of dumb little endings, comedic endings that I could do, and he helped me out a lot in thinking of those and filming those. And I got to the point where I just wanted to build projects to do the dumb endings, and we had a lot of fun. So thank y'all for watching. This year I've made some pretty great projects, a robot out of some scrap metal, some wall art, a lot of different lamps out of cameras and different types of lamps, and just had a blast along the way. Coming up in 2020, I plan on doing a few bigger builds. If you've seen in the background of some of my videos, I have 2 bathtubs that are just sitting in my shop. Now they're more like trash bins because they've been collecting all the trash that I have. But I plan on taking all that out and cutting them up and making chairs out of them for our back porch. And that should be a pretty good build. Also, my shop is in horrendous shape. I have very little time in between projects, so I really have no time to clean. I mean, actually, I do. I just hate cleaning. And my wife knows that, and she wants me to clean it up and make it nice. So in 2020, I've seen a lot of YouTubers do these 24-hour challenges. And I figured one good way to get me to clean the shop is to just take 24 hours and fully clean the shop, my garage, and get everything in the right condition. So I plan on doing that 24 hours if I get the right camera set up and figure out how to do it. I'll also probably be doing a few builds during that 24 hours just to be fun. I look forward to making a lot more projects this coming year, and I plan on still continuing to put out videos every other Tuesday, right on time at 11 a.m. There'll still be dumb, stupid, comedic endings. Hopefully they'll get funnier and funnier and make more sense. I look forward to getting more subscribers and more views to the channel. Right now, I have around 334, which is incredible in my first 7 months. I've had over 56,000 views on my videos, and that I'm truly grateful for. Everyone that has viewed these videos and subscribed to this channel. If you haven't already followed us on Facebook or Instagram, it's under the same name, Flippin' Rejects. So do that. And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I plan on making some great content for you guys in the next year. Happy New Year. Here's to 2020.